Hey everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Tech Pulse. We are here in Bangalore for the Google I/O Connect. It's a very special event where we will be seeing some really interesting use cases for Google Gemini. From fun to productivity, they have got it all covered. We are going to take you through some really exclusive demos that will help you to understand just how much AI has come so far, how long it has come, and also we'll try to understand if it is just fun or it is just about knowledge. I think it is going to be about everything. This is your host Dhruv Mohan. Let's go get some demos done. We are starting with our first demo, which is the AI cricket challenge. Now this is really interesting. Using Gemini, Google will be telling us about our cricketing stance, our speed and also our strength at which we hit the ball. They are using 4 pixel devices here to understand our entire game. 2 of them will be noticing our G-force and the next 2 our stance. It's a very interesting portfolio and a very interesting setup using which people can really improve their game as well. Is this the future? We'll see that. But how is it to play? I'm telling you that right now.
Okay, now we have captured multiple metrics on how you played based on the input of those 4 cameras, now video and audio, video and image input. So we are calculating 3 metrics here. You see power and accuracy, like whenever you miss the ball, the power and accuracy are 0, and whenever you hit the ball, they are calculated. So and we used Gemini's vibe coding to get that done. So this is like this code is actually calculating the power and accuracy, and this is done by vibe coding Gemini. And we have another important metric, style. This again taking that video as an input and like using this prompt to understand and give a score, how the way you stand, the way you hold the bat and so on and so forth. Okay, and you have the final scores here. So based on these 3 balls, Gemini has generated a coaching insights as well, right?
The next demo is Living Canvas. Now, as I told you that using Gemini, you can stack multiple features of the Gemini platform to create pretty much everything you want. Like in this case, we have a game that they have developed using multiple models that are available in Gemini. I'm talking about Imagine, I'm talking about VO. So it basically means that AI has reached the point that your imagination can run wild. Our next demo is Androidify. Now, according to Google, Gemini has made the entire experience of using Google products more creative. This is one such example of that. Basically, you can upload a photo or put up a prompt and it will turn that photo or using that prompt deliver you an Android avatar of just that. You know that the Android moniker is extremely famous across the globe. So having one that looks just like you will give you that really nice creative freedom and a creative blockout that you will enjoy. The next one is Real-Time Agent. Now this is a very interesting application of Gemini. What it basically is doing is that it takes a camera that is using to capture the entire footage of the situation right in front of it. And then it analyzes it and also tells you what's happening in real time. Now this entire model has been developed on the basis of Gemini and hence it is being used. Now the next demo is Talk with Gemini, but with a twist to it. I mean a gaming twist. Basically this particular demo is using Gemini to develop a code for which a game can be understood. So what it means, if I'm playing a particular video game, in this case I'm playing a racing game, I can talk to Gemini and understand any quest. I can also get feedback from it on how I can play this game better. It can also help me to do some cheat codes and stuff. If I want to understand how can I reach somewhere very quickly, what should be my strategy to win this particular lap, it can do that right away. And it will do it like a partner. The best part is that it is available in multiple languages and not just English.
And now let's talk to the developer community that Google is helping in building their products.
So Google sort of came in when we started working on the translation engine. The work that we've been doing is unique in its way because the Indian language translation is growing. It's getting better, but it's still sort of very businessy. It's very transactional-y. It's not colloquial enough. And comics is an interesting medium because there is no context actually, other than to truly understand. There is no other signal that you're getting. So when we started working on this problem, it was interesting for Google enough. We worked with Google Labs on this. They were very, very helpful on this. We would give them feedback for, this is what makes sense, doesn't make sense. For when you're translating literature like this, which is sort of, and understanding comics like this.
We even have seen around 1 million users concurrently using our AI assistants, and all secured, scalable solutions. So all thanks to Google.
Now, after understanding all these demos and applications of Google AI and all the products that they offer, it was important to understand Google's vision and also what they think the future is for this entire technology. We had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Manish Gupta, who is the Senior Director for Google DeepMind. Firstly, we wanted to understand how does he see Google AI products working out in India and what it is doing for the developers here.
So India is home to such a rich set of developers who are tackling problems not only that you see in India as a country, but also the world at large. So it's very, very exciting for us to be working closely with the developer community in India, helping them with access to some of the frontier models, both in terms of raw capabilities, think like the Gemini 2.5 Pro model, as well as models which are kind of at the forefront in terms of cost efficiency, capability per rupee, like the Gemini Flash model. And we recently announced also the Flash Lite, where for the kind of scale that you see in India, if you want models that can scale really well at low cost points, those models also with ability to understand many languages of the world, including we have such rich diversity of languages. So again, many of these developers are recognizing the high quality, the unmatched quality of our models.
He also gave us insight about the data privacy in the AI age.
The regulation should protect users, and at the same time, it should not come in the way of innovation, right? Because there are so many aspects of society, ranging from like solving for diseases to healthcare to learning, where AI has the potential to really provide such amazing positive benefit to people. You do not want regulation coming in the way of those benefits flowing to people.
Well, I hope you found this video insightful and entertaining. For more such content, make sure to subscribe to our channel.